Hi, my name is Krista Samuels, and today I'm here to talk to you as a fellow school counselor about something very interesting happening in school counseling offices around the country. However, first I might ask you, what are these? If you said adorable puppies, then you are correct. You may own a puppy. I too understand the joys of having a furry friend. Here is a picture of me and my dog. The reality is many people in this country own pets. What you might not know is that dogs serve a special purpose in schools as well. What I'm talking about is animal-assisted therapy by school counselors. Animal-assisted therapy is the use of animals as therapeutic mediators in the counseling relationship. Although a number of different animals can be used, dogs are the most popular. Animal-assisted therapy began in the late 1960s and 1970s when Boris Levinson, a child psychologist, would bring his dog into therapy sessions. Levinson, as well as others, have found that the presence of a dog creates a valuable form of emotional and social support for children. School counselors have started to incorporate animal-assisted therapy into this practice for this reason. School counselors use the dogs to provide comfort and companionship during individual/group counseling. According to researchers, counselors can use animal-assisted therapy dogs to teach character traits such as honesty, tolerance, kindness, respect, responsibility, and leadership through teaching, reading, and modeling behaviors. Dogs in the classroom can be used to calm fears, relieve anxiety, and teach social skills. The use of animal-assisted therapy dogs by educators and school counselors has many benefits for students. School counselors are finding that the presence of a therapy dog can decrease anxiety and enable students to work through issues such as anger management, bullying tendencies, and other psychosocial problems. There are many physical benefits, including helping reduce blood pressure, provide tactile stimulation, assist with pain management, and give the student motivation to move. Social benefits include being a topic for discussion, promoting greater self-esteem by being able to interact and make friends with others. Cognitive is that it helps stimulate memory, problem solving. Emotional is the four-legged visitor actually helps with acceptance from others and lifts mood, provokes laughter. Environmental factors include that the dog in the facility actually decreases the feeling of a sterile environment, lifts mood, and helps keep that mood going after the visit. During the counseling session, the presence of the dog can create a trusting bond between the school counselor and the student. Talking to an animal rather than a counselor about an issue may be easier. The key is that the dog is a non-judgmental force that can make the student feel comfortable. The dog is seen as a friend or ally, creating a safe atmosphere. One study actually found that the use of animal-assisted therapy helps school counselors provide Carl Rogers traits necessary for therapeutic change, including positive regard, congruence, and empathy. Furthermore, another study observed that children turn to their pets when troubled, and noted that the accepting demeanor of a dog mirrors the basic attending skills of the counseling process. By integrating a dog into individual counseling sessions, it was found that rapport with clients was established quickly. Questions and concerns are inevitable when it comes to introducing a new and perhaps perceived radical program like animal-assisted therapy into your school. You might wonder, what were the parents going to say? Some concerns might be things like legal implications and liability, supervision, allergic reaction, possible harm to students and staff, animal maintenance, possible harm to the animal, maintenance costs, hygiene, cleanliness, phobic fears of staff and students, animal odor. However, these should not be reasons not to include dog therapy programs in your school. Here is a list of resources for more information. When doing animal-assisted therapy, it's always make sure that you get informed consent from the parents and communicate how the addition of a dog to counseling guiding activities would be beneficial to students. Parent permission forms are essential and should inquire about allergies or fears that the students might have. The dog must have current vaccinations, and a copy of the dog's vaccination records should be on file. Strong support of the administration is also essential. So counselors should relate to school administrators the potential benefits in integrating a dog into the school counseling program, as well as the precautions that will be in place to ensure the safety of the students, such as the use of a healthy dog, constant monitoring of the dog, and parent permission. There are many programs out there, including one called Charlotte's Litter, which is a program that was created after the Sandy Hook Elementary School shootings to honor a victim. I hope you have a better understanding of animal-assisted therapy and its use in schools. Incorporating animal-assisted therapy into your practice might help the students. At the very least, it will make them smile.